Which LED headlights are actually good for your Jeep Wrangler? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to get the real answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options so you don't end up with dim, flickering, or poorly fitting lights.
Product number 1, HW Star 1000% Bright Anti-Glare. The HW Star 7-inch LED headlight pair. What caught my eye is the claim of 1000% brighter output and true DOT approval that you can actually verify on the NHTSA site, something a lot of cheaper brands fake. Priced at $109.99, it's mid to high range, and over 700 units sold last month shows it's getting real traction. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you drive your Wrangler at night or off-road in low visibility, the 10,000 lumen high beam and 7,000 lumen low beam deliver a uniform Z-shaped cutoff that lights up the road without blinding oncoming traffic. That beam pattern is DOT SAE certified, so it's legal and safe. Plus, the IP67 waterproof rating and anti-aging circuit mean these won't dim after a year like some budget LEDs. The 4.63-pound build feels solid, and the plug-and-play design fits JK, TJ, and LJ models without modification. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being unclear, especially around wiring adapters. Here's the thing though, the included H4, H13 adapters work for most Jeeps, and customer support actively responds on Amazon if you hit a snag. It's not perfect out of the box, but help is available. This is perfect for you if you want maximum brightness, legal compliance, and long-term reliability without going full custom. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or drive mostly during daylight. For the performance and build quality, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Unishine DRL Turn Signal. If HW Star's price felt a little steep, this Unishine model at $59.59 might catch your attention. It includes daytime running lights and amber turn signals built right in, features you usually pay extra for. Over 400 sold last month shows it's popular with budget-conscious Wrangler owners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want more than just brighter headlights, like added visibility during the day and clearer signaling, the integrated DRL and turn signal functions make your Jeep stand out in traffic and at trailheads. The 7-inch round design fits TJ, JK, and even older CJ models, and the aluminum heat sinks are designed to keep the LEDs cool for over 50,000 hours of use. It's DOT approved and comes with H4 to H13 adapters, plus extension wires for easier routing. Now, some buyers mention the DRL wiring can be tricky if your Jeep doesn't have a dedicated ACC line, and a few reported needing extra relays. Here's the thing though, Unishine offers a full replacement promise. Foggy lens, bad beam, or fit issues, they'll send new ones or refund you, even after 30 days. That kind of support makes the minor install hiccups easier to swallow. This is perfect for you if you want multi-function lighting on a budget and don't mind a little DIY wiring. Skip this one if you want a completely plug-and-play experience with zero tinkering.
Product number 3, Unishine Anti-Flicker Projector. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be better for daily drivers, the Unishine Anti-Flicker model at $79.99. What sets this apart is the built-in decoder to prevent flickering, a common headache with LED upgrades on older Jeeps. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your Wrangler's electrical system triggers error codes or causes hyperflashing when you swap to LEDs, this headlight's decoder helps stabilize the signal. The reflector design creates a sharp Z cutoff beam that's 500% brighter than stock halogens, but still soft on the eyes, no harsh glare. It's DOT approved, IP67 waterproof, and maintains brightness even after 2 years, according to the specs. Now, some users said the decoder doesn't fix flickering on every vehicle, especially newer JKs with CAN bus systems. Here's the thing though, Unishine will send additional decoders for free if you have issues. They admit upfront that no single decoder works for all vehicles, which is actually refreshing honesty. This is perfect for you if you've had flicker problems with other LEDs or want a cleaner beam pattern. Skip this one if you're looking for the absolute lowest price. There are cheaper options, but they often lack this level of electrical compatibility.
Product number 4, Zima Blue Halo Projector. If you want style plus function, the Zima Blue Halo model at $59.99 brings a modern look with its breathing halo ring and projector lens. Over 300 sold last month shows it's appealing to owners who care about aesthetics as much as performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The projector design focuses light more efficiently, giving you longer throw and better road illumination without scattering. The halo acts as a DRL or turn signal depending on how you wire it,
white for daytime running, amber for signaling. It's DOT approved and IP68 rated, meaning it can handle deep water crossings and muddy trails. Installation takes about 20 minutes with the H4 plug, though you'll need to connect the halo wires separately. Now, some buyers reported that the halo wiring isn't clearly labeled, leading to confusion during setup. Here's the thing though, Zimablue offers a no questions asked replacement policy. If it doesn't fit or fails, they'll send new ones or refund you, even beyond 30 days. This is perfect for you if you want a sleek, upgraded look with functional DRLs and don't mind a bit of wiring work. Skip this one if you prefer a completely stock appearance or hate dealing with extra connections.
Product number 5, Uni-Shine Projector Budget Pick. The most affordable option, Uni-Shine's projector model at just $53.99. With over 200 sold last month, it's clearly attracting budget-focused Wrangler owners who still want LED brightness. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get 6000K white light, true DOT approval, and IP67 waterproofing at a price that's hard to beat. The classic reflective cup design delivers a balanced beam, brighter than halogens but not as intense as high-end models. It includes H4, H13 adapters and fits JK, TJ, and CJ models. The aluminum housing helps with heat dissipation, aiming for that 50,000-hour lifespan. Now, some users mention that a few Jeeps require grinding down small tabs in the headlight bucket for a snug fit. Here's the thing though, this only affects a small number of vehicles, and Uni-Shine openly states it. If it doesn't fit, they'll take it back. That honesty builds trust. This is perfect for you if you want a basic, reliable LED upgrade without spending over $100. Skip this one if you need advanced features like DRLs or anti-flicker decoders built in.
So which one should you pick? HW Star for max brightness and durability, Uni-Shine DRL for added visibility, the anti-flicker model if you'd had electrical issues, Zimablue for style and halos, or the budget projector if you just want affordable LEDs. Each has strengths and a few trade-offs. Pick based on your needs, not just price.